Welcome to the third day of AI automation journey. As you can see on my slides, I will give you a complete guide about implementing AI and automation into your businesses. So let's begin with our first slide. I know starting with AI can be overwhelming. So I am offering a free AI audit. Here what we will cover. So first of all, we will identify pain points, what's slowing you down, where do you need our help, and the custom solutions. We will craft tailored automation solutions to save you time and grow your business without any problem. I also have a little surprise for you. You have to stick till end of the video. I will share a free resource in which you can do AI audit by yourself. Otherwise, we are here to help you out in that. To book a meeting with me, all the details are given in the description. You can book your slot because we have very limited seats available. We will continue to our video. In this slide, I will tell you what is AI automation. AI automation is about using artificial intelligence to perform repetitive tasks, analyze data, and make workflow seamless. Think of it having an extra team member that works 24/7 to improve efficiency and results. What are these no-code platforms? So you don't need to be a coder to start with AI automation. Platforms like Zapier, Make.com, and Stack.ai let you build workflows with simple drag and drop tools. I will show these tools in upcoming videos. Stay tuned with me. So I will give you a complete guide how to use Zapier to do the AI automations and also how to use Make.com to do the AI automation with the different platforms. Now we'll see through the use cases of AI automation. So AI can transform businesses across industries. Let's look at some examples. So in a real estate, AI automation will automate lead generation and follow-ups, schedule property tours automatically, send personalized messages to the prospects, and create instant market reports. In law firms, automate contract drafting and review, and schedule client consultations seamlessly, manage case files with AI-driven tools, and also provide chatbot-based legal advice. In healthcare professions, AI automation can automate appointment scheduling, send reminders to the patients, manage patient records securely, provide AI-based health insights. For Instagram coaches, AI automation can use to automate outreach to potential clients, streamline content scheduling, personalize engagement with followers, and track the performance analytics effortlessly. The first question which comes in everybody's mind: why should you use AI in your business? Here's why AI is a game changer for businesses. So it saves you time by automating repetitive tasks, reduces error with precise workflows, helps you scale faster by improving efficiency, provides insights from your data to make smarter decisions, and also allow you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. And this is just the beginning. There is so much more AI can do. Now we will see the real world examples. Let's talk about real world examples where AI is already making a difference. Through customer support, AI chatbots handle inquiries 24/7, marketing automation, personalized email campaigns based on user behavior. In a sales processes, automate follow-ups and lead nurturing. So how to get started with AI automation? If you are ready to start, here's how you can do it. Identify your pain points. What takes too much time or feels inefficient? And second, choose the right tools. Look for platforms that fit your needs. Third, set up workflows. Design processes step by step. Fourth, test and optimize. Refine your systems for the best results. Last, scale up. Once you see results, expand your automation efforts. Thank you viewers for staying with me till last of this video. As I promised at the start, I have a free resource available for you. It's been uploaded to my Discord community and you can join using the link provided in the description. By using that free resource, you can do your AI audit by yourself. If you would like me to perform an AI audit for your business, you can book a session through the calendar link also given in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. on AI and automation. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep innovative.